So the Multihog has been in North American market now for over 10 years. The idea behind the Multihog is it's a sidewalk tractor, but it can be used primarily for snow and ice management. We have a number of different models. We have the CV right behind me here. We have the MX and the CX, which are more multi-purpose tractor machines. So they are more heavily used in the snow and ice market. A couple of different things we can do to manage snow and ice. One is straight blade plough. Second, we can have an independent wing V-plough on there as well. We can do kick broom. We also offer a drop sander attachment for the rear. We have broadcast sander attachment as well. So we've a bunch of different methods for controlling snow and ice management. It's one of the biggest advantages on a Multihog when you look at our competitors is the spring suspension on the CX. So the CX has a spring and damper style suspension, so comfort element is greatly improved over a counterpart machine. So for comfort on sidewalks which maybe are older or uneven in terrain, hopping off sidewalks, suspension on the CX machine makes a major benefit.